Let's see, today we are going to see about laboratory of ME8711 simulation and analysis laboratory. In this laboratory we are going to see the stress analysis of flat plate with hole. Now we are going to the experiment in FEMAP software. By using FEMAP software we are going to analyze the stress analysis of flat plate with hole. Before going to the draw flat plate, just we are going to select the material and the properties of the plate. For the help of model, we are going to select the material and then load the material. Like give the load material, just you are going to choose the required material. For example, I am going to choose the steel. Give the OK. Now the properties of the steel can be displayed here. Give OK. And then give the cancel. Now we are going to select the properties of the material with help of model property, and then select the material here and also give the title as property. Now select the property type as plate. Give the OK. And now give the thickness of the plate as required. For example, we are going to give the thickness of 0.6. Give OK and then give cancel. Now we are going to draw the flat plate by help of geometry and then surface. Give the plane. Just select the method as a global plane. Give the value base as x, y, z as 0. Give OK. Now give the width and height of the plane as, for example, 10. Both are 10. Give OK. Now going to cancel. Now we are going to draw the circular in center of the plate and also trim that circle with help of delete command. Okay. Now we are going to draw the circle with help of geometry, curve, circle with center. Now going to select the location of the circle. Here the center point is 0, 0, 0. So we are going to the x and y value as 0. Now we are going to select the radius as for example we are going to select 1.5. Now we are going to delete inside of the circle of the plate. Okay, with help of geometry. Before that, wait. With help of now we are going to delete the inside of the circle with help of geometry, mid surface, trim with curve. Now going to select the inside of the circle, give OK, and also now going to select the circle line, give OK. Okay, now going to delete inside of the circle by help of delete geometry, surface, pick the inside surface of the circle. Now going to give OK and then again give OK. Now it's deleted. Now we are going to model. Before that, we are going to mesh the flat plate with help of mesh control. Size on the surface, just to pick this surface of the plate, give OK. Give the element sizes, for example 1.5. Give OK, then cancel. Now we are going to again mesh, geometry and surface, pick the surface, give OK. Just to select the property here, title here, give OK. Now we are going to constrain the plate with help of model, constrain on curve. Just to select the before going to select, just give the title as constraint. Select the all 4 side curves. Now give OK. We are going to fix the 4 sides curves, so we are going to give fixed and then give OK. Now we are going to apply load with help of model. Load on surface, give the title as load. OK. Pick up the surface. Now give OK. Now give the load as pressure load at the value of given value, for example 10. Give OK. Now see the load is applied on the surface. Now we are going to analyze the plate with help of model. Analysis, new, give the title as analysis. OK. Now analysis, wait for the result is loaded. Okay, now your result is loaded. Give the load result. Continue. Okay. Now the result are displayed with help of view. Select, otherwise directly we are going to press the F5. Okay. Now deform, criteria, deform and criteria. Now we are going to select the plate top. We are going to select the stress by plate Y normal stress. Give OK and then again give OK. Now the display the result. We are going to see the animation by pick here. This is the method for analysis the flat plate stress analysis of flat plate. Okay, and also we are going to select the one mesh stress of the plate. Just give the F5, criteria, deform and contour data, and also select here the plate one mesh stress, top one mesh stress. Give OK, and also again give OK. Here see the different result. This is the method for analysis of flat plate. Thank you.